Hello everyone, welcome to Alain D Music. So today in this video I'll be showing you how I'm making my plastic chrome plates for the pickups. I had built these wooden prototypes to see and test, and now I'll be making the final official pickup plates and covers. I'll be using this cover, cut them out to give them the toaster look, and at the same time I'll be making the surrounding plates out of this pickguard. So I started to mark my pickguard and realized that I could do 4, so I'll have an extra one if I ever need it. Cutting the plastic is easy, sanding is a little bit touchy. If you go too fast it kind of melts, so you want to take your time and finish off. So here's a look with the new plates. Love the look of it, the before and after, from template prototype to the finished look. So this is the final look and I hope you enjoyed. If you like this video, don't hesitate to subscribe and see more of my videos I'll be making coming out soon. Thanks for watching.